Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. As noted in our last 3 videos on this subject, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations set out the rules for commercial vehicle operation. In parts 1 through 3, I defined a motor carrier and a motor carrier employee. We also described that the regulations require extreme caution when a commercial vehicle driver encounters hazardous conditions such as snow, ice, sleet, fog, mist, rain, dust, or smoke. In Part 4, I discussed the requirement of commercial drivers to scan the roadway ahead to keep a lookout for other vehicles that may present a danger to the safe operation of the truck. The requirement to keep a lookout ahead differs from the average car driver's expectations. As every driver understands, there's a duty to look ahead for traffic. The typical jury instruction on the law applicable to keeping a lookout reads, every driver must maintain a proper lookout to see or hear what should be seen or heard through the exercise of reasonable care. Heavy commercial vehicles have an extended stopping distance, and because most drivers sit higher and above and can see above non-commercial vehicles ahead, the requirement to keep a lookout is more demanding. Training materials for CDL drivers routinely state that a good commercial driver will look at least 12 to 15 seconds ahead. At slow speeds, 12 to 15 seconds is about the length of a city block. At highway speeds, 12 to 15 seconds extends ahead of the truck about 1/4 of a mile. Commercial drivers are trained to shift their attention between closer and distant objects. Why must commercial vehicles keep such an enhanced lookout? So they can change lanes and adjust needs as needed to avoid traffic and adjust to curves and visibility changes. While reaction and distance may be the same for commercial and non-commercial drivers, the braking distance is far longer for large, heavy vehicles. A heavy vehicle braking distance at 55 miles per hour may be as high as 400 feet, and for typical cars, the braking distance may be only 80 feet. Truckers also need to manage the space around them to adjust to when things go wrong. While braking distance is extended for heavy vehicles, vehicle weight also adversely impacts acceleration. Slow acceleration and truck length limit a heavy vehicle's ability to maneuver in and out of traffic like a car. In the 5th video in this series, I will discuss what is taught in commercial truck driving schools. I hope you found this information helpful. If you are a victim of someone's carelessness, substandard medical care, product defect, work injury, or another personal injury, please call 219-736-9700 with your questions, or visit our website, davidholublaw.com.